nice call bell on any first shipment. On board your aircraft today you'll find 2 toilets. Both toilets are at the back of the cabin, one left and one right. Today folks, we will be doing a in-flight bar service which will be serving you hot and cold drinks, chocolate bars, snacks, snack packs and any of the meals. We do not have any fresh food, gifts or fragrances on board in flight today. If you would like to purchase anything from the in-flight bar service, we will only be accepting card payments. So once again folks, no cash, only card payment today for anything from the in-flight service. Crew are now giving out magazines, so if you'd like some refreshments on your way to Dublin, please do take one. Shortly crew will pass to the cabin with the in-flight bar service. And once again folks, as I said, it's card and only card. If you can help with anything at all folks, don't hesitate to contact any of your crew members who are floating around the cabin. For now, let's settle back, relax, enjoy your flight.